No beg me pay yourself. No by me, no by me do my fish. I take him off God. No by me back.
Everybody that missing me Lara. Make I come on my leg. Okay, you go sell 100 naira for me. Oh yeah, sell them. You get 15 naira rodo.
15 naira.
I beg. I beg now, help me now. Help me, please. Please, see all the money where you my hand. I won't cook egusi soup and only 1,000. They follow me, come market. I beg, give me fish, I beg. You plenty for our house.
You plenty. Me say I get plenty children.
So you cut this one for me for 15 naira. God bless you. Thank you so much. But madam, do you think 1,000 naira can cook a pot of egusi soup in 2022 in this country? Eh? How to know if somebody can cook a pot of egusi soup in 2022 with 1,000 naira? It's not possible, Abi. Well, thank you so much. Thank you. You're laughing at me. Eh?
If you don't buy go.
Make I dey go. I beg. I no fit go. Oh yeah, sorry. Just give me this one. This one, come. Make I take this one. Make I take this one.
No, I don't like them.
Oh yeah, no beg. This one too small. I beg now. Make I buy this one. I go come back. See, I won't take this one. Buy something. I won't take this one. Buy something.
I don't like them.
I beg now. What you talk? See the money. I won't take and buy something. Now only this money follow me come market. I won't cook soup. You see, say I not go meet your other people. I can't meet you. I know say una the pity person. I beg. You know be alejo. Oh yeah, just give me now. You don't see people don't they laugh me for market. I beg. Oh yeah, give me the one where you go give me. Oh yeah, give me the one. This one cost. See. This one cost.
100 naira.
50 naira now. I don't really drop that big one. Thank you. You go give me this one 200, Abi. Which one you want give me? I beg, I beg now. This one don't they break for the soup. You know, go add one more piece. This small one cost 200.
If you buy 5,000 naira, no come for that. What if you buy 200 naira?
I beg.
No beg me pay yourself. No by me, no by me do my fish. I take him off God. No by me back.
And you don't know say the video you are beat. You almost beat me before.
I won't bet for me.
No, is not too close. You just they change them for me.
Your video goes to that now. I won't bet.
So thank you. I'm back. Oh, please, I want to buy egusi. How much is one cup?
1 cup, 300.
Please, can you sell it for 200? Ma? Can you sell it for 200?
My table for 200.
What of 250?
I know.
Sell it well, oh, please. We have 5 at home. You didn't put 50? Sorry. Oh yeah, give me crayfish 15 naira. Huh?
Not crayfish 15 naira or 15 naira.
Let me see. Is that 100 now?
Yes.
And just share that 100 now into 2.
Yeah, madam.
This is 15 naira crayfish.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Not cubes. 15 naira.
It's just 2 pieces like
I'll use it like that. I'll manage it.
I'm coming.
So this is 300. This is 300, and that's 350. Then palm oil 100 naira.
Buy palm oil 600.
I don't have 150. I only have 100 naira.
300.
I don't know if I'll be able to buy palm oil. Is this 100 naira?
Palm oil 100 naira.
I just made it 100 naira. Hey, mommy, don't do it. Auntie. Okay, so you're coming from London now, Philip. Share your contact from London now, Philip. Any this is 100 now for more. Which one will I now take? It's too small. Oh, I get that for me. I think I put me on the for more. Oh yeah, Jamile. Auntie, would that be booming? Everybody I'm missing me Lara. Make I come on my leg. So I just got back from the market. This is the tatashe we got for 100 naira and the scotch bonnet, which is rodo, for 50 naira. We got the crayfish for 50 naira. We got the melon, which is popularly called egusi. We got this for 250, already blended. 50 naira onions. We got this for 100 naira. We got the ugu leaves for 50 naira. It's quite much. She later said that she doesn't sell even 100 naira ugu leaves, but she just gave it to me, and she didn't know why she just gave it to me. And we got this pomo for 100 naira. Now we got this panda fish for 200. Panda fish looks funny, but then this is what we got for 200. So I'm going to prep it quickly and show you how I'm going to prepare this. So I'm done prepping everything right now, and it's about time for us to prepare this delicious 1000 naira egusi soup challenge. Let's go into the kitchen, please. So the first thing we're going to add into the pot is the palm oil that we got for 100 naira. So we are going to allow the oil heat up a little bit for about 2 minutes. While the oil is heating up, we have our egusi here, and we have a little water. I'm just going to add a little bit of the water into the egusi, and with my spoon I'm just going to give it a stir. This water is not enough, so I'm going to add a little bit more water, but I'm still giving this a stir to check before I add in more water. I'm going to add in a little bit more water. Just give me a second. I'm going to add in a little bit more water. Please add your water gradually and give it a stir. Yes, so I prefer this consistency. Yeah. So I'm going to set this aside. So the next thing we add into the oil that has been, bleaching is the onions. So I'm going to give this a stir. Allow it fry a little bit for about a minute. So it's been frying for 1 minute, and we have our pepper mix here. I will introduce that into the pot, give it a stir, and allow this fry for about 5 minutes. So our pepper has been frying for about 5 minutes. The next thing we're going to add in will be our crayfish. Give it a stir. Add in some nut cubes and a pinch of salt. And the next thing that goes in is our pomo. Our pomo goes in first. So it needs a little bit more water. I'll just add in that. Not too much. So I'm going to cover this and allow it to cook for 3 minutes. So the pomo has been boiling for about 3 minutes. Even the pepper is soft at this point. So the next thing we're going to add in is our panda fish. Before we added this panda fish into this pepper mix, so before adding this panda fish into this pepper mix, we soaked it in warm water and salt for about 2 minutes to just get rid of all the germs in it. So we're about to add in the egusi paste, and I'll add water into it first. One thing about egusi is that it swells up. If you buy good egusi, it will double in size. So this water I'm adding is not too much. I'm doing it like this for a reason, and you'll see what it will look like at the end of the day. I'm just going to keep adding it. Just continue adding your egusi into this pepper mix. This is the no fry egusi style. So after doing this, that's why I added enough water. I'm just going to cover this. You keep checking on it. After 2 minutes you check, after 3 minutes you check, after 5 minutes you check. But I'll come back after 5 minutes because I added enough water, and I'll show you what it will look like. I mean, it's been over 5 minutes, and you can see how hard and rock solid the egusi is. This is what we want. So I'm just breaking the lumps before I add in the ugu leaves. I've crushed the lumps to the preferred size, and I'm going to add in my ugu leaves. You can see what it's looking like already. So after adding in your vegetable, feel free to still crush I'm going to add in everything actually, because it's not so much, and I'll give it a stir. You're not going to allow your ugu stay so long, so I'm covering the pot for about 3 minutes, and I'll be back to show you what it looks like. So let's check up on our egusi. Wow, our egusi is ready. I mean, I don't have to do much work. You can already see the pomo peeping through. You can see the panda fish. You can see the egusi, the lumps. If it's too big, like I said, feel free to leave it. But some people leave their lumps this big because they just want to fake it like they have so much obstructions. They have so much protein in their soup. If you prefer it, you know, with tiny lumps like this ones, feel free to crush it. So let's dish this and taste it right now. I don't like to overcook my vegetables, you know, so that you can retain the nutrients. But if you're a fan of overcooking your vegetables or your grains, feel free to do that. I already have some eba. This is what they call gari, Igbo gari. Anyways, let's dish this. Let's see. So I thought to show you what we have left in the pot after dishing this, our egusi elemimewa. We still have some leftovers, but this is our efo egusi and we still have some left in the pot. You can see how yummy this looks. Please remember to like this video, comment in the comment section, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel already. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.